What's up, everybody? This is Kenny, the Almost Engineer here, and going to do a unboxing of the Belkin Wemo Switch. As you see, it's a IoT compatible device. And looking on the side of the box here, it allows you to set settings. Has various, on-off settings. You can set a schedule, and it allows you to control it remotely using cellular data or Wi-Fi. And then they also have apps for Android, iPod, iPhone, iPad. Basically, you just need to have a Wi-Fi router and the app for whichever device that you have. On the back here, we have just a diagram that shows basically the Wemo is connected to a lamp, and the Wemo connects to your Wi-Fi router, and the router, of course, allows you to connect to the cloud. And if you're at home, you just connect directly to your smartphone or smart device. And it also sports the IFTT logo here, and there are other Wemo devices such as the Wemo light switch. This is the actual Wemo Switch, what it looks like, and then there's motion sensors also available. Alright, so just open the box here. There's tape on each of the sides. And then we'll open this tab down here at the bottom. Alright, and then turn it over. And it looks like a piece of tape is missing from being cut. Alright, now I got that open, and so we open the box. As you see here, there's a card on top, welcome to Wemo. And on the back, it has the instructions of how to do setup. So basically you plug in the Wemo to a light switch, you download the app, you connect to your Wi-Fi, and it's ready to go. Alright, so this is the actual Wemo device. As you see, it's an outlet with a button at the top and a Wi-Fi indicator light. And then on the back, it's also the outlet that goes into the wall and a restore button. And that is the entire contents of the box. So all you have to do is plug this into your outlet, complete the setup, and then plug whatever device, whether it be a TV, lamp, radio, into this device, and you're ready to go. Now, one of the drawbacks of this particular Wemo model is that it's bigger than a standard outlet size plug. As you see, the Wemo Switch itself is actually the size of the plug. So it only allows you to either plug in the top outlet to leave the bottom outlet open, or plug in the bottom outlet and cover the entire thing. Now, there is a Belkin Wemo Switch Mini that allows you to connect, that leaves both sockets open without this large size. However, the Wemo Switch Mini is narrower and wider. It is the newer version of this particular product. So we can plug this into the outlet here, and when you plug it in, you'll see that it lights up here at the top. And this is basically like similar to a computer, how it starts up. And when it starts, the first few minutes or so, it basically warms up, loads all the configuration, whatever else it may have. In this particular scenario, it is actually, since it's not been configured, it will just continue to blink until the configuration process has been done. Then once it is done, the light will actually turn off. So as you see, there is no Wi-Fi devices connected since it's a brand new switch. So it alternates between the orange and blue colors on the flashing LED at the top. I will show you in a future video how to do the setup for the Wemo Switch, as well as a demonstration once the switch has been configured. If this video has been helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody that this video is useful for, please share it with them. Also, don't forget to subscribe.